Hello, and today we'll be checking out the plugin that's the Magento 2 Advanced Booking and Reservation plugin. So basically, this particular plugin converts your Magento 2 platform-based web store into a dynamic event-driven site, and it introduces a new product type that's the booking product that would allow the store owner to sell bookable services or the booking services as a product. This product type also lets the admin manage all necessary details of the booking product like the date available, slot period, stock value, price settings, and much more. So today I'll be showing you the same, and we'll be checking out this Magento 2 Advanced Booking and Reservation plugin, and it allows you to create many different types of booking products as per your own requirement. So right now you can see I'm at the Magento 2 web store front end, and I'm one of the categories is that the booking one. Under that I've created the rental bicycle booking product type, and here you can see the name, the charge per hour. You can also charge per day as well as per your requirement. There is the SKU for the same. Here's the location of this particular rental product. So if I open it in the map, we can check the exact location of this particular rental bike station from where we can rent it out for ourselves. Then the customers can also contact this particular bookable product seller by tapping here on the contact us button, entering his name, email, subject, and the query, and tapping on the submit button. And after that, the respective one would make it away back onto this particular customer's query. So we also have the contact us information. This one is the Google Maps that I've just opened for this particular bicycle product, and here's the exact location: 68 Brown Saint Paddington, NSW 2021 Australia. So let's go back. Apart from that, you can also see here in this advanced booking and reservation plugin, there are a lot of options to configure the booking products. So let me give you a gist about how different products can be created. So here you can see that I've created a movie ticket, a party hall booking, a dinner checkup, a New Year event, book a bike, book your room, book your table, a hotel, and one more appointment there. And here on the book your table as well, you can see that here the charges are applied, and the charges are per table for 2 guests. And here's the location of this particular restaurant wherein the customer wants to book a table. Here you can see the slot duration is 50 minutes and the availability is every day. And under the book a table, you can choose the date and the time for which you want to book a table. You can enter the number of tables that you require, and if you have any special requests or notes, you can add that up here and then can proceed further to book a particular table within the restaurant itself. So all in all, it helps the customers to book a multiple range of bookable products. And now let's go back to the rental one, and in the rental we can see the rent an item, and from here we can create the options from the plugins backend configuration, wherein the admin can allow the customers to choose the rent option whether on the daily basis or the hourly basis. So here you can see on the daily basis we are charging per day and the price is different, and in case of hourly basis we can charge per hour and the price is different. So from here on hourly basis we can choose the date, and for the hourly basis, and we can choose the time slot which we want to use. So right now it's closed. So it's just an overview of this particular advanced booking reservation plugin. And from here the customers can enter the quantity. For example, they want to rent out 2 bicycles, so they can enter 2 quantity here, and they can choose the rent option as daily basis. So if it's daily, you can choose it, choose the start date, and you can choose an end date, and between the start and end days you'll have the daily basis, and the price will be charged per day, as you can see. And on the hourly basis you'll have charge per hour, so you can choose the day on which you want to get this particular feature. So for example, if I go to, all right, let's go to 26th, and here you can see that on 26 we have different slots available for renting the bicycle on hourly basis as well. So the customer just needs to select the appropriate one, and he can then rent the product. And before we show you the rest of the flow of this particular plugin, do give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and you can subscribe to our channel, and you can press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And apart from that, if you find these videos helpful, then kindly be sure to give it a thumbs up from your end, because it takes a lot to create the videos as well, and it takes a lot to get it through different people who are requiring the same for their stores as well. So we're working daily, and we are working hard for the same. And now let's do one thing. Let's add this product to the cart, and let's make a checkout. So I'll be choosing the hourly basis, and I'll be choosing the slot as 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And after choosing this slot here, you can see that we can select the rent time. So we can choose 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. or to 3 p.m. as well as required. And then we'll have to tap here on the rent now button. So you can see that we have all the details like the location. You can contact that particular rental one guy and more. So we've added it to the cart now. So renting a bicycle, and the rent type is hourly basis. The rent is on from the 26th Jan 2 p.m. and the same 26th January from 2 till 4 p.m. and the price for this is $8. So let's tap here on the proceed to checkout button, and let's book this rental bike. So the same details are the product details or the booking details are visible here within the order summary as well. So let me go ahead and let's log into our customer account, because I already had not done this. So I'll just choose it and tap here on the login button. So now we'll be redirected to the shopping cart. Alright, not a worry, let me edit one more time, and then we'll make a checkout. So I'll just rent that particular bicycle that we had. So okay, this is the rental time, and these are the bookings or the bookable products that we created under the bookings. Under hotels, it's related to the hotels, events, appointments, rental. So this is our product. So we'll just rent now, and these are the details. Let me right now go for the daily basis. I was earlier choosing hourly basis, so I'll go for 21 to 31st. Well, let's choose the hourly basis for more details there. Let me choose the slot and the rent time from 12 p.m. till 2 p.m. Let's tap here on the rent now button. This would be now added to the cart, and now we can easily make a checkout thereafter. So let's tap here and proceed to checkout button. So let's proceed to the checkout now. And now let's choose the payment method, and let's tap here in the place order. So here you'll again find the same details for the advanced booking and reservation plugin that allows you to create multiple type of bookings there, be it a hotel, restaurant, events, appointments, movie tickets. So let's check the order 31, the history of the same, and check the booking confirmation there. So just give me a second for that. Okay, rental bicycle. The rent type is hourly, rent from 22nd till 22nd from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. $8 is the amount that the customer has paid. Now that's how the customers can make use of the rental product there to rent out different things. We'll also be taking you through the rest of the ones like appointments, events, bookings, restaurants, and the private bookings as well in the coming video. So for now, for today, we'll be just going through the rental one. Now, so the same goes for a book a bike as well, and you can rent an item here on the daily or the hourly basis. In the daily, you'll choose your start and end date, and then add it to the cart. And according to the daily charge. The daily charge would be applicable according to the days that you have chosen. You can go for the hourly basis. So for 22nd, you can choose a slot. Then you can choose the slot start time and the end time as well. So you can go for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours as well, depending upon the start and end of each of these slots. And then you can add it to the cart and make a checkout thereafter. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel. I'll just show you the initial configurations today before making use of this advanced booking and reservation plugin, and then I'll show you the same rental product that the rental bicycle that we were just on, the rental bicycle one, and then we'll see what different configurations and how we can set it up from the admin backend panel very easily. So now let me take you to the admin backend panel. I'll just log into the admin backend panel by entering my username and password. To make the initial configurations, we'll navigate to stores and then configuration. And in this advanced booking system, basically there's an option for the booking cancellation to the customers as well. Apart from that, the store owner has this advanced booking system menu option, wherein he'll be able to view the questions that have been asked by the customers from the product pages. So for example, if you go here, we have the contact us option. Whatever we are sending out is received by the admin under the web questions. Here we have the web booking product. So after you've created the booking products, they'll automatically be listed under this section. That's the web booking product. Apart from that, you can also check the complete booking orders for the different booking products that you have already created within your store. So for the initial configuration, navigate to stores and then configuration. Then under the Webkul block, you'll have the advanced booking system. So here you can choose to enable the advanced booking QR code. You can upload a logo for the same. Now this QR code can be presented by the customers at the event or at the appointment time to show their existence, or to show that they've reached that particular booking thing. And after that, for the Google Maps, when we are checking the location of the bookable products or the rental products, for that to display it on the maps, you'll have to have the Google API key. You'll enter that up here within the settings. Then the admin can have the option to set the approval for the questions that have been asked by the users at the storefront for the different kind of bookable products like appointments, events, bookings, hotels, rental, restaurants, default and the private bookings as well. So if you want the admin approval for those messages, you'll have to choose yes, otherwise no, and they would directly be sent out. Then we have the advanced booking system transactional emails, and here you'll have to choose the booking email template. That's the default one that would be sent out to the customers whenever they are placing an order for a booking and a reservation type of a product there within your event-driven or the dynamic website now. Then you have the option to choose the email for contact to admin regarding booking product template. So whenever you are basically using the contact us, this template would be used. Similarly, customer asked a question regarding hotel booking product type. So after the customer has asked a question regarding the hotel booking product type, at that time the template that would be used is this one, the default one. And if you go to the front end once again, here you can see that here we have the option to contact the seller. For example, I'll choose it as name as test, and we can fill in the rest of the details as well. So we'll check that in the other videos as well, how we can contact. So let me take you to the backend once again. So this was the initial configuration. Just save the configuration, and now let's navigate to the advanced booking system. And here let's go to the view booking product section. Let me open the view questions as well after this. So here we have the complete list of booking products that we have created. Alright, and here's the rental bicycle one. Now you can see that the admin can delete or change the status as enable or disable for any of the booking and reservation products that he has created. To add a new booking product, you'll have to choose for example the default one. So you can see that we created multiple number of booking product type. So here you have the appointment booking type, event, rental booking type, hotel booking, table booking. So today I'll just show you the rental booking one. So you can create a new one by tapping on the rental booking. So for today's demonstration, let me choose this rental bicycle that I've already created. So I'll just edit it and show you the details of the same, what needs to be set up, and then we'll just check the same and we'll cross verify it with the storefront itself. So here we are on the rental bicycle. This was the name of the booking product. Booking type was rental booking. The product name is rental bicycle. Rental bicycle. The SKU is rental bicycle. As you can see, the price is $2. The price is 4 because we are hourly. If I choose this, okay, so there's a bit of a difference in the price, not a problem there. And here we have the text class, the quantity of this, the stock status, visibility on the catalog and search pages, the contact info for the rental bike owner there. So while you're creating this rental booking product type, then you'll have to set up the location, then choose to show map with location and show contact button to everyone or to the logged in customers only. So if you choose this as enabled, then here we have this V1 map option for the location that you've entered for the rental bicycle, and show contact button to everyone, all logged in customers. So this contact us button that you can see here can be chosen to display to the logged in customers or to everyone as well. Now coming to the renting information section, similarly you'll have this in each and every booking product type there. When you're creating a new one as well, you'll have the contact info section, renting information for the respective renting booking product type. So here you'll be able to set up the available quantity that you need to rent out. You can choose the renting type as hourly basis, daily basis, both hourly and daily basis as well. So here we have the daily basis, hourly basis. So I've just chosen two. We can make it as both hourly and daily basis as well. You can set up the daily price for this rental booking. Do you want to make it available always? If you want to make it available always, then you can set that up as per your own requirement there, and the same would then be visible to the customers as well, whether it's available always or not. Then you can set up the hourly price for the same. Then you have the hourly renting info. So from here you can set up the prevention of the scheduling in minutes. You can set up same hours for all days, whether you want to have the same hour slots for each day or not. If you want to have different hours for all days, then you can make it as no, and according to that you can choose the dates here, and you can set can book from the time and the quantity. To add more, you can tap here on the add more. So rest of the ones are closed right now, as you can see. Now after preventing the scheduling in minutes, you can set the option to have the same hours for all days or not. For all days, then you can see the same is visible for each of these days. You can choose to have the hours as quantity as well, and after you've set this up, you can see the hourly booking info, as you can see here. So I'll just tap here. Okay, and to add more, just tap here on the add more, enter the can book from and two values and the quantity for the same. To remove, just tap here on the remove button. Then you can also choose to have the private event booking info. If you want to make it as a private booking, you can choose it as a yes, and you can also choose the private booking is based on whether customer wise or the customer group wise as well. So this private event booking information is for the other product type. So if I go back and from the section here, advanced booking system, let's go to the advanced booking system, view booking products, and here we have the add new booking. So here we can see the details like the appointment, event, rental, hotel and table booking. So you can make a booking as private as well. Now coming to the order section, Let's go to the order section and review questions for today's video. And the rest of the things I'll be showing you in the coming video. So stay put and keep checking the Webkul's YouTube channel. So here's the rental bicycle, the order number 31 that we had placed. We can view the details of this order reference or the booking ID 50, that is. So just tap here at the view. Now we have the complete details of the booking that has been made by the customer. So here's the rental bicycle. Choose or the chosen rent type as hourly basis. Rent is from it's off for the 22nd of January itself, and the slot starts from 12 p.m. In the afternoon till 2 p.m. itself. And then we have the original price, as you can see, the actual price that was there, the subtotal, and the row total itself. So that's how the admin can also check the booking orders. Now coming to the questions here, you can see that from different product types like luxurious sea-facing resort, book your room. Customers can ask a question, for example, you can see here, and accordingly, whenever the admin makes a reply, the reply count increases. And under the actions, the admin has the option view answers. So admin can tap here on the view answers button, and here the admin can find the asked questions and the answers for the same, and can delete anyone as well. So if I go back to the view question section, and let's open any other one, this one, because the rest are having no replies. Let's go to this one. So like everything can't be put up in a single video at the same time. So much of the times we are just checking what needs to be shown. So here you can see that for that particular booking product type, we had two customers who have asked, or one customer who has asked the question, and he has been reverted back. And the type of the user was guest, as you can see here. Here's its ID, the submission date, and the answers can be viewed as well under this particular section. So that was much about the Magento to advanced booking and reservation plugin, using which you'll be able to create multiple number of bookable products that include appointments, events, bookings, hotels, rental, restaurants, and the private bookings as well. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. And in the coming videos, we'll just check the rest of the booking and reservation types and how we can create them from the backend. And surely you'll like this particular interface that we have added to our advanced booking and reservation plugin. So lastly, thanks for watching this particular video. Do give it a thumbs up, and have a great day ahead.